Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ahmed and in today's video I'm going to show you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp without apps. But before to begin this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for not missing any update in the future. And now, without further ado, let's dive into it. Okay, as you can see here, I have two devices. The first device is mine and the second device is my friend's device. Now I'm going to send him message and delete it for everyone, okay? As you can see here, this message was deleted. And for reading the message that has been deleted, first you don't have to open the conversation. After that, go to settings. After that, tap notifications. Then tap advanced settings. Then tap notification history, and here you can see the message that has been deleted. But keep in mind this method doesn't work on all devices, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.